Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have the LG Smart Monitor and I'm going to tell you how you can easily increase or decrease your block level. At first you have to enter the settings. To know how to enter the settings, you can check our channel because we have a video for it. Then, if you are in the settings like I am now, go into the picture using the right click, here advanced settings. And now we have the brightness. Click on brightness and the third option we can see is black level. Click on this and now we can decrease our black level using the slider or increase it. As you can see, it works. That's it. Hope it helps you and goodbye.